Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make armor in Hytale. First off, you need to have a workbench ready to begin crafting an armorer's workbench. Once you've crafted it, place it down and check what you can do with it. Immediately, you can find the option to craft copper armor or iron armor on the Tier 1 armorer's workbench, with each piece of armor requiring a different amount of materials. But as long as they're from the same metal, for example, all iron armors will all have the same recipe, just with different quantities. Don't forget to add in a shield as well, as this can help with blocking enemy attacks. And compared to just using a sword as both an attack and a block, it's best to just leave the blocking to the shield. If you're not wearing any armor at all, once the crafting process finishes, then the armor will instantly be on your person, without having to be placed them there yourself. And that's how to make armor in Hytale.